Very recently, I was looking at building some storage racks for my home. I was going to build them out of 2x4s, much like this picture right here. I've been seeing these videos on YouTube, like you might have also. But then, while I'm looking at how to build them, I come across this storage rack called SafeRacks at Costco. Now, something I'll say right off the bat, it only works with the Costco boxes. The Home Depot boxes, the Lowe's boxes, they're a little smaller. They won't quite hang there, so it needs to be Costco boxes. But for only $79, I'm saving a lot of time by using these. Let's see how they go together and whether or not it's worth the purchase. Figure I can build these out of wood for under 40 bucks at current prices. But this is pretty quick and easy. Watch me put it together, see how long it takes, and how it holds up. Let's get it out of the box. Okay, this is it out of the box. Top and bottom racks, 4 posts, 6 rails, 1 back piece, the connectors, the directions. Looks pretty straightforward. Let's do it. Well, that is it. 16 minutes, 38 seconds. It was very simple. See, they're laying under it is a little kit to secure it to a wall. And as I've said before, this only works with the Costco bins. I've got bins from Home Depot and Lowe's that look almost the same, but they do not fit in here. Okay. Let's check it out set up in the room. Well, there we go. I liked them so much, I went and got 3 more. It's tough to argue. I mean, I could have done it cheaper with wood, but it wouldn't have looked as nice. And this was pretty quick, easy setup. Okay. Hope this answers it. If you're thinking about going and buying some of these, I have had no problems with them so far. They are solid. They seem to be able to handle the weight. They even come with little zip ties to strap them together and something to mount them to the wall. Thanks for watching.